I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is LifterLMS. Select a task and select a course. Click Next. Search and select Webhooks. Body. Send all data. Choose Request Payload. Application/JSON. Give here a webhook link, so go to the ConnectsIt dashboard. Create ConnectsIt. Search and drop webhook. Now copy the webhook URL and paste it into the integration site. Go to your form and fill up with data to capture the webhook. Now go to your integration site and test the webhook. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your ConnectsIt site. Search and drop MailerLite. Choose an action. Choose an account. Choose a group. Choose status. Connect the both fields. Test and review. Publish the integration. Now go to your course page and click Sign Me Up. Now click here to log in. Now click the Enroll Now to enroll in the course. The course has been successfully enrolled. Now go to your MailerLite dashboard. Navigate to the subscribers. Here you can see that the subscriber added successfully in the MailerLite. Thanks for watching.